Alright, we're out here at the long range today because I want to do a little bit of an experiment. So what I want to do is I want to see what it kind of sounds like to get shot at from a long distance. So that's 200 yards right there, and here's the guns we're going to be using. We're going to be using a 10.5-inch AR-15 pistol, and then for a 16-inch 5.56, we are going to use the Steyr AUG. For an AK, we're going to use my Wasser 10, chambered in 7.62x39. And lastly, we are going to use the Mosin M44 carbine, chambered in 7.62x54R. So let's see what this sounds like. We're going to do 3 rounds from each.